If you're experiencing billing issues on KodeKloud Pro, follow these steps to resolve them quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check your payment method. Verify that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Log into your account and navigate to the billing section to review your payment details. Step 2. Review billing history. Access your billing history to identify any discrepancies or unexpected charges. This will help you understand the nature of the issue and prepare for further action. Step 3. Contact customer support. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SSRG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a timely response, follow up with customer support. Keep a record of your communication to ensure your issue is tracked and addressed. Step 5. Monitor your account. After the issue is resolved, continue to monitor your account for any further billing discrepancies. This will help you catch any future issues early on. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing issues on KodeKloud Pro. If problems persist, consider seeking additional support or exploring community forums for further assistance.